So crazy ass part, the fucking first spot got like instantly shut down and I just got here. That's fucking crazy. Now we on to the fucking second spot where we supposed to be at. It's about like 15 minutes from where we at right now, and we about to pop out. Yo, them B58s is no fucking joke.
Dude, why you making a right? You're supposed to make a left.
Am I? Oh, I'm making a left. Alright. Didn't even look at it, bro. I'm being a dickhead, you see? But ooh. They going to the first spot. I don't think they know that it's shut down. The car community is just beautiful. It's just full of a lot of good people, I'm not gonna lie, but filled with a lot of shitty ones as well. This is like such a shitty road. I hate New York because of the fucking roads. Where does our money go? Where does our fucking money go that the streets are not fixed? Shit is whack. But I'll see y'all there.
Yo, if you want, when I sell the car, I'll trade you. Which for your stock?
For my shit?
Yeah. I'll give you the
This shit. Shit is nasty, bro. I thought I was on a sidewalk.
That's just what it's looking like, my nigga.
What it look like, bro? I can't even cap.
Okay, damn. That shit was mad long.
That shit was mad long. But this shit is crazy. Niggas playing out music. Ah, much better. Alright. We're almost here. We actually should be here at the spot. I'm guessing we're waiting for the fucking little traffic that they got here to clear up. Then we should be here at the second spot. See how long this will last for the night until we go to the third spot. Yup, this is it. Gotta rep, you feel me? Gotta rep. Niggas on top of the car, feel me? I bet people that like got no cars still come to this. Oh, niggas selling nutcrackers and all that. Oh, homeboy got it bumping back there. Nah, our meats don't be nothing like this. They name pull weight. That's crazy. Yo, I know the nigga that did that shit. His lights is fucked up though. here. This is gonna be the back route. I'm gonna find the back route.
A few moments later.